Hey, I'm Cam Day. Welcome to the channel and to today's video. As always, it is such a pleasure and a treat and a delight to have you here with me and to just have this time to be doing what we're doing right here, right now. And I'm also just a little extra excited because I missed you. But also, we get to talk about one of my favorite things and one of my favorite brands, and that's jewelry from Ana Luisa, New York. Now, you may have seen one of my previous videos talking about Ana Luisa jewelry. It was kind of my introduction to the brand. I'd seen them for a long time online, finally gave in to some of the ads because they're just so darn good at it, and I made my first purchases from them. And it's been well over a year now, and I feel like an update is necessary, primarily because in the world of affordable jewelry that we live in right now, I feel like it's easy to fall into the buzzwords that are shared to get you to make the purchase, right? Where they say it's high quality, it's like fine jewelry, it's tarnish proof, it's this, it's that, and then you get it, and a month later, the plating is falling off, your fingers turning green, whatever it is, and you pay somewhat of a higher price point for what you think is going to last for a while, and it just doesn't. And the cool thing is that all of my Ana Luisa pieces have stood the test of time so far. And like I said, we're over a year at this point, and a lot of these are daily wear pieces for me. So I just wanted to share a quick update with some of the pieces that I have and show you some new ones that I've added to the collection because I just can't help myself. So I'm doing my due diligence just to share that goodness with you. And also, if you're in kind of a place where you're searching for some new jewelry, or if you're looking to start at, buying pieces in general, I want to show you the ones that I love, that are affordable, that feel like quality, and that actually are quality, that have lasted, and also from a brand that actually cares. I'll tell you more about that. First, the update on my everyday wear pieces. These are my little Scarlett Huggy hoops. They've got this double hoop situation going on. It's just a really nice look, especially if you don't like wearing a lot of earrings all at once or just don't have multiple piercings. This kind of gives off that effect, which I really like, but it's really simple, really classy, so it's easy for everyday wear just to elevate whatever look and outfit you have going on. Truly, let's call it 5 days out of the week I'm wearing these. They also offer these in silver, so I think I'm gonna have to pick those up. When I'm not wearing those, I usually opt for either a bigger hoop or these precious little things. These are the Celeste Huggy hoops, and they're adorable. I love the little rhinestone inlay, and of course the star and moon danglies just get me, especially if you're into that sort of thing. They're, again, super lightweight, and if you're like me and if your actual piercings are a little bit higher up on your lobe, sometimes finding Huggies that fit comfortably without squeezing the daylights out of your skin is really hard to find, and these are the perfect size. I love them. Another one of my go-to daily wear pieces is this Ivor ring. I'll always love kind of a link look, and it's just another one of those things that's really casual to wear, kind of dress up, kind of dress down. I'll always want something that can just be like a standard staple piece that I can add to other rings that maybe have a little bit more pop to them. But this is just a really great everyday. Again, it's lightweight, it's strong. I think that's something that is really important and pretty missed when it comes to jewelry these days. You can find really beautiful, dainty pieces, but if they're easily squished, especially a ring where you're using your hands all the time, hanging onto things, opening doors, maybe the subway, whatever it is, if that gets squished, then, it loses shape and just kind of makes it hard to wear on a long-term basis. These have a really nice structure to them. Every piece that I have, I don't feel like it's going to get bent, and it's not in danger of that. So that's definitely a plus for me. One of my absolute favorite new additions are these hoops that I'm wearing here. These are the low medium. They have a couple different sizes, but two things that stick out to me the most. One is the clasp. It's kind of a hinge in the middle of the hoop, and the post just goes right into the other side. It has a nice little satisfying click that helps you know that you got it in the right spot. I don't know about you, but if you've tried other different hoop mechanisms, there's a lot of different ways that they can get on and stay on your ear, and this is by far my favorite. It's foolproof, it's secure, they stay in all day. Again, super lightweight, I love them. They're so easy to put in. And once they're in, I really do forget that they're there sometimes. So I want to get some of the smaller hoops. I want to get the bigger versions. I just love them. In silver too. I do have a couple other pieces that I wear pretty regularly that are in another bag that I don't have access to right now, but they also are discontinued. So that's something that I wanted to mention. While the selection that Ana Luisa has is amazing, they're constantly coming up with new designs and they're very unique to Ana Luisa. I know there are a lot of trendy shapes and different designs that are going on at all times, but I find that Ana Luisa does a good job of finding not only timeless pieces, but fun ways to bring about different designs and kind of keep it in its own realm without feeling like it's just a copy of everything else. But it is a fun way to stay on trend, but also find classic pieces. And that's a fine line to walk. So I always recommend checking them out. There's always sales going on and things do sell out and they do kind of phase out different styles as time goes on, because that's also part of their sustainable model, is just keeping things in stock that they have access to as they're working with recycled materials. So moving on to the newness that I am so excited to share with you. This is my current ring situation. This is the Ivor that I just showed you, but these two are the new ones. This rope pave ring that I've had my eye on for a long time has been so awesome to have. And they also have an option without the rhinestones, but I couldn't help myself. When Razzle Dazzle is an option, I'm gonna wanna go for it. And also I'm just gonna wanna get the plain one too, because I like having that balance. And I have a little bit of an obsession going on. The cool thing is that I think the website and the photos that they share are really accurate to the pieces themselves. Sometimes I buy things and bring them home and I'm like, that is not the size that it looked online, or that is not the right finish. I never have those disappointment moments when I get an Ana Luisa order like in hand. So that's something that really helps, especially if you're kind of an indecisive shopper. Just know that what you see is what you're gonna get, and it's pretty fabulous. Also, this nice little sparkly band that I have here has been a great addition because I think it's gonna be a good stacking ring as I add more bands to my collection. But again, it's just simple, it's classy. We love a little sparkle action, and I think it's just nice to wear on its own and let it be just kind of this simple little moment of shimmer. It's good for a date night, low light, candle, whatever, you know? That's kind of the vision I had in mind. And so far, has not disappointed. Also, if you have anyone that you need to drop hints on, you know, like, hey, this is what I would look like with a sparkly band around my finger, it's a great, cheaper option to send the message. I hope this helps you in your search, wherever you are, whatever you're looking for. I hope some of these things kind of check the boxes for you. You're looking for something that's affordable with maybe a little bit more of an elevated approach. That's also just going to give you the quality that you're looking for. You're not investing money into something that's going to disappoint you and tarnish in a couple months or within a year. All of these Ana Luisa pieces have a 2-year warranty, but the customer service is also amazing. If there's ever any trouble with any of your jewelry, you can either get a replacement or a refund. Always use them as a resource if you have any questions or any issues. But with everything that I've accrued so far, there have been no trouble at all. I almost lost one of these earring backs. Thankfully, I recovered it. But even that, you can reach out to them for that. Also, if it helps at all, which it really did for me, so I probably should have led with this, the way that they approach sustainability is really what got me. The whole company and the shipping and purchasing process and delivery process is carbon neutral from start to finish, from manufacturer to delivery. And if that is even the deciding factor between Ana Luisa and another brand, that's always going to win over for me because I'm wanting to make those decisions that have better positive impact as much as I can. So if I can get some nice pretty pieces and help out the earth, I'm going to do it. And I hope you can too. My personalized discount code for 20% off and the link to get you to the website to utilize that will always be available to you. I'll have it down in the description box. I'll also keep it in my bio on all my social channels. I'll have links to that as well. So have no fear. You will always have that available to you. They're always running discounts, like I said. The sales are amazing, and they do a lot of good bundles as well. So if you're looking to kind of get a couple things at once, definitely check out their bundles before you look at anything else individually because they're always really great deals. So thank you so much for spending your time with me today here. It's always greatly appreciated, and just letting me talk about the things that get me excited, because my goal always is to help you in your search for things. And I really hope that this provided some information that you needed or just enjoyed. Whatever it does for you, I'm happy to do it. And of course, a big thank you to Ana Luisa for helping make today's video possible. I have really loved the brand, the ethos, the products, which is a huge factor, obviously. So to have been able to purchase things on my own, continue to do so because I can't help myself, but also to have some of these pieces that I shared with you today come directly from Ana Luisa has been really a sweet treat. And with that said, whenever and wherever you are, thank you again. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. You take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.